Welcome back to the channel. Today, we explore the WAVLINK USB-C docking station that's perfect for Windows and MacBook users. Stay tuned to discover how it enhances productivity and makes multitasking easier than ever. KVM Switch for dual hosts. The KVM Switch function lets you control two devices with one keyboard, mouse, and display setup. With the push of a button, you can seamlessly switch between two hosts, perfect for those working across multiple systems. Triple 4K display output. It features two DisplayPort and one HDMI output, allowing you to connect up to 3 4K monitors, ideal for video editors, graphic designers, or anyone who needs a massive amount of screen real estate. DisplayLink Technology. Thanks to DisplayLink Technology, even M1, M2, and M3 MacBooks can support multiple displays with this dock, overcome the built-in limitations of Apple's chips, and enjoy the power of triple monitors on your MacBook. Versatile USB connectivity. The WAVLINK dock offers 3 USB 3.1 ports with 10 Gbps speeds, letting you transfer large files, backup data, or connect external storage devices in seconds. Gigabit Ethernet port. Experience stable and fast internet with the 1000 MP's Gigabit Ethernet port. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or handling large downloads, you'll enjoy a rock-solid connection that Wi-Fi can't match. High-speed power delivery support. Equipped with a robust 230-watt AC power adapter, our KVM switcher offers efficient 230-watt input and stable dual 100-watt HUD, ensuring lightning-fast charging speeds that significantly reduce your device's charging duration. With dual 4K monitor support, fast charging, multiple USB ports, and more. It's the perfect addition to your setup. Check out the link below for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates.